Hey, this is Diggy here from forexhabits.com. Today it is Wednesday morning. It is the 21st of November 2012, and I just wanted to do a quick update on the markets and once again show you the power of the technical analysis. Now on Saturday the 17th of November I did an update in a video where I recommended another short on Euro US dollar around 128.10 to 128.15 with a stop above 128.30. And that's exactly what happened, and it went to 128.20, and since then it turned back down. It's been pretty interesting actually what's been developing because of Thanksgiving, which is tomorrow. There's always this kind of reverse situation in the markets where the market changes the trend in the week of the holiday kind of weekend, and then after that it usually continues back down. So we had this big downtrend. Then came the holiday weekend, which is coming up now in this week. So this whole week it had this rally, and now it's starting to drop, and it will likely continue to drop a bit further. We had this situation as well. There's kind of a rule in technical analysis where flat tops produce market drops, and you can see we had these big flat tops here for the last 2 days around this level, and after that we had the drop. And now we've dropped down below the averages on 4-hourly chart, so there is a chance that we're gonna head quite a bit lower still. Anyway, what I want to say is I entered a bit earlier. I entered at 128.05 after it was dropping on the way down. This is a new virtual account that I started yesterday with 100,000 US, or I started 2 days ago, and I'm just trading according to my money management rules where I risk no more than 2% on a trade. So I worked this out at 128.05. I entered with a amount of 600,000, which would have risked 2% with my stop at 128.35. So right now I do still think we are going to head further down, although what I will do is I will have my position size at this point just to take some profits and to reduce the risk. So I'm still going to hold it, but I've halved my position, I've taken some profit, and I will move my stop loss down to break even at least, which is 128.05. Now, we're going to have a look quickly what can be expected for the week. Since it is Thanksgiving tomorrow, this does look like a bit of a bear flag, and it looks like after this rally we are going to head lower. We're going to head lower below this 126 point, and we are still likely going to head towards 125, 124, which was the initial analysis even up to a week ago or 2 weeks ago, because of the fact that it just looks like that on the weekly chart based on various indicators, and based on the fact that this is still looking like it wants to go down. The RSI on the weekly is below 50 slightly, but it's still below 50, and the MACD histogram, it's coming very close to the zero line. We are still hovering under this average 21 average on the weekly chart with the Euro US dollar, so it is very likely we are still going to see further downside in the week ahead, but we will see what happens. We'll do another analysis on the weekend. The Euro Japanese yen has also had quite a rally in the last couple of days, and that might be wearing out some point soon. We could draw a trend line, I guess, something like this, where it's likely that we're going to head somewhere here and then drop back down. But as I said a few weeks ago, we're still heading towards this 100 exponential moving average on the weekly chart. You can see it was just shy of it over here. Here it just poked through it. Here it was just shy of it. So anywhere between about 105 and 107 is where the Euro Japanese yen should stop, and then at least pull back to about 102, 101 again. But once again, we'll do that analysis on the weekend. I just wanted to do this update on the trade that I gave on the weekend about going short the Euro US dollar at around 128.10. That's been good so far. Possibly reduce your position size if you're in this trade, and move your stop to break even to eliminate the risk, and you've already locked in half the profits, and that is one way to guarantee good trades and have good money management. So subscribe to the YouTube channel, give this a thumbs up, share it with your friends, head over to forexhabits.com if you're not subscribed yet, do that already. and you get these updates via email. And another thing I want to say is that I offer personal one-on-one coaching. It's on the blog. If you check out forexhabits.com/coaching, and you can learn more about how I can make you a profitable long-term trader with good money management and technical analysis that works, that'll help you determine entry points, stops, and take profits. So until next time, cheers.